Hello students, welcome to Government Commerce College Alwar BCom Part 3rd EAFM Paper First Rural Development and Cooperation Chapter Constitutional Provision regarding Panchayati Raj Amendment 73. Subpoint Step taken the development of Panchayati Raj institution. Several steps have been taken during last 4 decades for the development of Panchayati Raj institution. An emphasis is given for the improvement of the institution. The government has recognized the Panchayati Raj institution as a single unit responsible for rural development. In such a situation, when rural development has occupied prime importance in the priority list of amendment administration, the responsibility of Panchayati Raj institution has increased. Panchayat are the first step to democracy. These are the foundation station of the republic. Panchayati Raj institutions are capable enough to bring drastic change their area. The following steps have been taken for the development of Panchayati Raj institution since independence. Constitutional step. The Panchayati Raj has been accepted as an object at the behest of Let Sri K. Shanthanam. It was included in 40th article of the Indian Constitution. It has been mentioned in this article that the state will go ahead to constitute Gram Panchayat and will provide such power and right which are essential for them to work as unit of autonomous administration. The state government in India have enacted Panchayat Act for the fulfillment of the constitutional obligation. In spite of their few weakness, the Panchayati Raj institution in India provide an efficient institutional structure for bringing socio political, cultural and economic change. Number 2, P.R. Mehta Committee, the study group on Plan Project Committee 1957, chaired by Sri B.R. Mehta, and recommended establishment of Panchayati Raj institution at 3 levels of self-government. Hence, the committee propounded the idea of democratic decentralization of political and administrative powers, keeping in view of the recommendations of Mehta Committee. Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh started Panchayati Raj system for the first time in 1959. Later on, several other states also adopted it. B.R. Mehta committee had opined that progress is not possible without responsibilities and right. The community must feel its responsibilities while understanding the problem. It should use its essential right through its elected representative and should keep vigilance with continuous alert on local administration on the basis of recommendation of these committees. The Panchayati Raj institution were constituted to in majority part of the country. All the panchayat constituted have covered 90% rural population of the country. There were 4,033 panchayat samiti in 1974 block. Some of the block decided to keep district and taluka as a main unit. Some of these panchayat had excessive actual power. The majority of the state who adopted Panchayati Raj system on the basis of the recommendation of B.R. Mehta committee could not succeed because the decentralization plan could not be prepared. Moreover, leadership could not be developed. There were more dependence on official of for achieving development targets. The change innovation and result innovation could not reach to the system. Ashok Mehta committee. Number 3, Ashok Mehta committee. The government of constitution a committee in 1977 on Panchayati Raj institution headed by Sri Ashok Mehta. The committee submitted its report in August 1978. The committee made the following recommendation for restricting Panchayati Raj institution two-tier system. The Ashok Mehta committee recommended two-tier system of Panchayati Raj, Jila Parishad, the district level, and model Panchayati at village level in the place of Gram Panchayat. Number 2, rural development. The committee emphasized on the management of rural development programs and recommended to consider the distribution of power between center and states. Function of Jila Parishad. The committee recommended that the Jila Parishad should be considered the work of planning guidance at the lower level and to set up coordination in development activities. Next, number 4, size the Panchayati Raj. The model Panchayat should be organized with population of 15 to 20,000. The model Panchayat should be developed as the base level organization from the point of view of implementation of program. Number 5, election. The election of Panchayati Raj institution should be held on base of Panchayati political party and its symbol. Number 6, here hierarchy. The Jila Parishad should act as an apex body and all the district level official including district collector should be under Jila Parishad. And thanks, and next topic in next lecture give to you. Thanks.